I've been fucking hoes and popping pills, man, I feel it's like a rock star. I've been fucking hoes and popping pills.
Survivors, subscribe and press the bell icon.
My soul trying to speak what's on my mind. She don't know the pain I hold, cause I don't message all the time. Most my brothers doing time, they really slanging that iron. Drug deals going wrong, my homie died from the fire. I'll give my life for that. Put all my trust into my dogs, who he stepping at. Wanna make it out the trap, I really know it takes some time. Yeah, I said who down the slide, trying to keep my moves quiet. Know them ops gon' find the time, yeah. I said it's fuck the other side. Yeah, my brother really stepping, we don't care what all they find. We gon' keep our lips shut, I done prove that every time. All these perkies in my pocket got me dreaming of me dying. Inhale, exhale, we feel the burn in our chest. The same type of burn we feel when we be up in the tech. I really let them hollow tips burn right through your neck. Them disrespectful little hoes is really getting they dome checked. Swear that I don't even got no time to myself. It really seemed like I should drop out, fuck all the help. I know this shit could change my life, yeah, it's fuck how they feel. They don't understand the moves for now, I keep it concealed, yeah. Power to my soul, trying to speak what's on my mind. She don't know the pain I hold, cause I don't message all the time. Most my brothers doing time, they really slanging that iron. Drug deals going wrong, my homie died from the fire. Mentally exhausted, ever since I started we all bleed the same blood. And that's some shit you better not forget. Losing touch from typing these messages to my conscience. Need the key back into my heart from when I tossed it. You found it, then ripped it up, tore that shit to pieces. Swear I'd never trust a single word that I've been hearing. Next time I know to stay closed off in appearance. But how am I gonna cope with all the ways that I've been feeling? Baby, heal this wicked pain that's inside of my chest. It's really fucking up my breathing. No one's filling me with stress. Shawty help me with.
Since I got this fame, it's been so hard to love again. Girl, your love's in vain. Now you feel ashamed. Girl, you told me no because I wasn't getting paid. These hoes I can't blame. Nobody feeling my pain. I don't wanna switch my lanes and now they think I'm going insane. Things don't feel the same. I don't wanna play no games. Since I got this fame, it's been so hard to love again. Don't ever trust nobody, don't trust your friends. Tell me why they sending pictures, they don't wanna take your place. Stumble on me, I know you're gonna ask me where I've been. Girl, I've been trying to love you back, but I don't have time, I don't even text. Always on the road, I don't even rush. She's staring at me, busy looking obsessed. I don't even look back, I don't even care. Made my money, I wanna invest. He's so proud that I never had sex. Yes and now, pass my test. Even if I don't, I would never confess. She I change, things don't feel the same. I don't wanna play no games. Since I got this